Okay.
I need to put it on again.
Okay, so tell me about your new backpack.
The man came here,
The UPS man?
and then he gave me my backpack.
Okay, so what kind of backpack did you get?
A tiger one.
No, why did you pick a tiger one?
Because tigers are cool.
Tigers are cool.
They're not.
They're not? What does the tiger say?
Wow.
Here, turn around, let me see it. Okay, Ellie, what kind of backpack did you get?
I got a monkey one.
A monkey one.
With rainbows.
With rainbows? Why'd you get a monkey one?
Because take a better one.
Oh.
Take a video one.
Okay, bring it here, I'll take a video. Let me see.
Oh, put it on.
Just show me the... See, monkeys with rainbows. Okay, so everybody's ready for school now?
Yeah. Are we going to school now?
No, not right now. Okay. You excited to go to school? What are you going to do at school?
Color.
What are you going to do at school?
Play.
Okay.
I got something to play.
You're going to play?
Lego. Mommy, I forgot to pack.
Phoebe, you cannot fit anything else in that backpack.
Yeah. What? And that one is a bigger one.
Yeah, yours is bigger.
Everything can fit in my backpack. No, it's not. And most of my stuff can fit in my backpack. See, my monkey is trying to fit. But he can't, really. Yeah, because he's too small. Yeah. But see, this is a bigger one. Watch this one you can do.
What?
This backpack.
Oh, you can lay on your back? Well, I can't see you because Ellie's in the way. Okay.
I packed the back. I packed the bag.
Okay.
I packed the book.
Okay. Okay, so you're all ready now?
Yeah. Ellie's all ready.
Ellie's all ready? Okay.